Forget what you think you know about the cosmos. The reality is far more bizarre, more mind-bending, and more spectacular than any science fiction story. We're about to take a grand tour of the universe's most baffling and brilliant phenomena, so buckle up. We're visiting the strangest corners of existence, where the laws of physics get pushed to their absolute limits. First up, a world that makes all of Earth's treasures look like trinkets. Meet 55 Cancri E, the diamond planet. This super-Earth orbiting its star in a blistering 18 hours is thought to be incredibly carbon-rich. The immense pressure and heat from its star could have crushed that carbon into a planet-wide layer of pure diamond, an entire world that outblings every jewelry store on Earth, a treasure trove beyond imagination. Number 2. For decades they were purely theoretical monsters. Then, in 2019, we saw one. This is the first ever direct image of a black hole. Captured by the Event Horizon Telescope, this isn't the black hole itself, but its shadow cast against a superheated glowing ring of gas. It's a cosmic donut of light, bent into a perfect circle by gravity so extreme, it warps the very fabric of space-time. A monster, finally caught on camera. Number 3. Mysterious signals from the depths of space. They're called fast radio bursts, or FRBs. These are incredibly powerful, millisecond-long blips of radio energy, releasing as much power in a flash as our sun does in an entire day. Some are one-off events, while others repeat with an unnerving clockwork-like precision. Are they from hyperactive magnetars, or something else entirely? The universe is talking, but we don't yet speak the language. Number 4. Imagine a world with no sun. Not just a dark world, but a planet with no star to call home. These are rogue planets, cosmic orphans ejected from their solar systems to wander the vast, empty darkness between the stars. Our galaxy could be teeming with billions of them, each one a self-contained world drifting in eternal twilight, forever between sunrises. Number 5. Let's go to the absolute coldest natural place we've ever found. This is the Boomerang Nebula. It's so cold, it dips below the temperature of the cosmic microwave background radiation, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang. At just 1 Kelvin, or minus 458 degrees Fahrenheit, it's colder than the empty space around it, a feat it achieves by rapidly expanding and cooling gas like a cosmic refrigerator. Number 6. The largest, oldest reservoir of water in the universe. And it's not a lake or an ocean. It's a colossal cloud of vapor. Floating in space, surrounding a supermassive black hole called a quasar, is a cloud of water vapor so vast it defies comprehension. It holds enough water to fill all of Earth's oceans, 140 trillion times over. This discovery proves water has been abundant in the cosmos since its early days. Number 7. In 2017, our solar system had a visitor from another star. We named it Oumuamua. This object was bizarre. It was long and thin, tumbling end over end. It didn't have a comet's tail, yet it accelerated away from the sun as if something were pushing it. Was it a nitrogen iceberg? A new type of comet? Or, as some have controversially suggested, an alien probe? The debate still rages. Number 8. Something is holding the universe together and we can't see it. It's called dark matter. It doesn't emit or reflect light, making it completely invisible, but we know it's there because we see its gravitational effects. Galaxies spin faster than they should, and light from distant objects is bent by its immense mass. It's the invisible scaffolding of the cosmos, the silent majority of matter that shapes everything we see. Number 9. Some stars just refuse to stay dead. Meet the zombie stars. These are white dwarfs, the dense corpses of sun-like stars. But if one is in a binary system, it can siphon material from its companion star. This stolen fuel can build up, causing the dead star to reignite in a massive explosion called a nova. In some cases, they can do this over and over, coming back to life again and again. Number 10. Forget water. On exoplanet HD 189733b, the weather forecast is truly terrifying. It rains glass, sideways. This deep blue hot Jupiter has an atmosphere laced with silicate particles. Combined with ferocious winds blowing over 5,000 miles per hour, this creates a perpetual storm of sharp, flying glass shards. It's a beautiful world from a distance, but one of the deadliest up close. Number 11. The first exoplanets ever discovered weren't orbiting a friendly sun-like star. They were found orbiting a pulsar, the hyper-dense, spinning remnant of a massive star that went supernova. These pulsar planets are constantly bathed in intense radiation from their dead stars' lighthouse-like beams. How they formed or survived is a profound cosmic mystery. Number 12. We've talked about things, but what about nothing? The Eridanus supervoid is one of the largest structures ever discovered, and it's a giant patch of emptiness. Spanning nearly 1 billion light-years, this region has far fewer galaxies, stars, and matter than anywhere else. It's so empty and cold that it leaves a cold spot in the afterglow of the Big Bang. Number 13. Neutron stars are the densest objects in the universe, short of a black hole. But they might not be perfectly smooth. Scientists theorize they could have mountains, but these aren't made of rock. Due to the star's immense gravity, these crustal deformations would be just millimeters high, yet contain more mass than a terrestrial mountain range. Number 14. In 2015, we heard the universe for the first time. Gravitational waves, ripples in spacetime predicted by Einstein a century ago, were finally detected. They were the echo of two black holes colliding over 1 billion light-years away. Now, we use these waves to listen to the most violent events in the cosmos, opening a new sense to explore the universe. And finally, number 15, a weirdness that affects us every day. Time itself bends out here. Einstein's theory of relativity tells us that both speed and gravity can warp time. For astronauts on the ISS, time moves slightly slower than it does for us on the ground. Their clocks literally tick differently. This isn't just a fun fact, it's essential for modern life. The GPS satellites orbiting Earth experience this time dilation. If our engineers didn't constantly correct for relativity, your GPS navigation would be off by several miles every single day. Your map app literally cooperates with Einstein's ghost, and that's just a glimpse. From planets made of diamond to invisible matter and echoes in space-time, we are constantly finding that the universe is not just stranger than we imagine, it is stranger than we can imagine. We're still just scratching the cosmic surface. Every new discovery seems to pose more questions than it answers, rewriting the rules of what we thought was possible. We've only just started reading the first chapter of the universe's grand, bizarre story. Want to explore more of these delightful cosmic oddities and dive deeper into the mysteries of our universe? Then tap that subscribe button. I'll bring the weird to you every single week, exploring the science and wonder behind it all. More mysteries are incoming. Keep your curiosity calibrated. And as always, stay curious.